Ndabai, unumo guy no neakita. It's the Eastside Music Show from the stables of the Voice of the East. Afam Busomto, and I'll be your host today.
Man, passa no way.
Ogai no neakita about the celebrity gist segment. I don't know makai see mea. Aye video with one nine okebu Odumodu Blvck. Okay, so Odumodu Blvck has been in the news recently, very recently, as a matter of fact, especially on Twitter, where he has been dragged. Anadoya vam. Tochukwu Ojogu, si Delta State, Igbo, anakwaya Odumodu Blvck, one nine okay. Ono kwara egwu drop recently, egwu release. And after egwu bu afa when you see Nollywood in Lagos, I don't make my phone. Yeah. He has been dragged recently on social media, you know, since he dropped that song. People are accusing him of being tone deaf, you know, how he does not, especially as an Igbo man, you know, putting out the song with that name, seeing what that person did to the Igbo people during the elections. Odumodu Blvck, who just also got signed to Def Jam Records, kept defending himself. No maka Lionel Messi, especially Igbo. So na watching kita. Tell us what you think about this particular situation. Was he right? Was he wrong? Kaimalo. Aye kukwe maka white money. One nine woke see Enugu State. Is for yabu Hazel or Yeze. Oh no, yes, he was in the Big Brother house recently and he just got evicted. Amano Monama, Mana White Money is a musician. Yes, a lot of his fans, including me, are looking forward to him dropping a new song now that he has left the Big Brother house and now he's about to focus on his music. So the fans, we cannot wait to see what he has in store for us now that he has a lot of time on his hands. He's no longer in the Big Brother house and he's going to make music. And he promised us he's going to win the Grammy. And of course, we cannot wait for this Grammy award winning song. Eze Chisom Faith. Amam Nuna Amaro, the person in Nekumaki Akita. Now let me tell you a more popular name, Rexy. Yes, Grammy award-winning producer from Anambra State, and recently he has been in the news. Dropped recently, very recently, and this was like days after the death of somebody who many people have claimed gave him his biggest hit, his biggest song ever. And you know, in fact, so recently there's been a lot of violence on the social media space. Everybody's angry, everybody's, you know, there's so much anger. And he dropped the song days after the death of Mohbad, rest in peace, who arguably many people have said gave him his biggest song ever. And Obia post to maka on Mohbad mana a few days later Obia drop we when them madana say no, you're not supposed to do that. Why did you do that? He hasn't come out to defend himself. I don't even think he has been promoting the song since then. Mana, it is well. And now to some refreshing news, away from all of those dragging and being dragged, and it's just very good news. One night Wokebu Phyno Ezegendibo on the 28th of August on his Instagram page announced na Omugongwa. Yes, he has a kid now, and he told us that he took some time away to focus on being a father. And now he has come out again teasing a very new album. We cannot wait for the new album. But by the way, there's a new song out from the album. Of course, it's going to be from the album. It's titled Do I. Yes, Do I. It's banging everywhere. On his Instagram page, everywhere people are vibing to the song. It's really hot. You should go check that out. And once again, congratulations to Ezegendibo on the birth of his child. Today on our artist profiling segment, Aige Kumaka, a very popular voice in the industry. Okay, so Onya Edego over 1,000 songs, you know, songs that some of which you know, very popular songs. And he's widely known as a Nollywood singer. Yes, a Nollywood singer. I guess you know who we're talking about right now. It is Stanley Okorie. Yes, Stanley Okorie. He has written over 1,000 songs, like I said, and some of these songs are songs that you know, very popular songs. Oh, I say egu fodo ima. Manimaro no Stanley Okorie. Godia. Egu dika, I go chop your dollar. Yes, I go chop your dollar boy egu nkemo wa na po Sophia Guru. So many years back, you know, very popular song. Stanley Okorie is a very popular name in Nollywood. A lot of people might not know his face because yeah, mostly it's just his songs. But you know, he's a very popular voice in Nollywood, and you know, he's one of us, and we need to celebrate him because he's a legend in the music industry. Already he has given us so many hit songs, so many very beautiful and popular songs like Happy Mumu, like Billionaire, Onye G Cash. So Stanley Okorie right here on the artist profiling segment on the Spotlight, we're saying Stanley Okorie is Ibo Mado. Jisike one now. Okay, I know Akita about the playlist segment on the Eastside Music Show. I know Makaisi Mea. I'm giving you 5 songs from my playlist, and I'm encouraging you to go down on the comment section and drop your own playlist, so we'll be playing it for you next week. Also, you can drop the name of the artist or the song you want us to add to our playlist for the next episode. Go to the comment section and drop them. And number 1 today on our playlist segment, we have Aguero Banks featuring Phyno on this one called Still Sober. So Aguero Banks on her EP dropped very recently, and it's titled God Is Never Late, and this song is from that EP featuring the one and only Ezegendibo. Aguero Banks featuring Phyno, Still Sober. Okay, it's still the playlist segment, and on number 2 we have the one and only Z Baby. Yes, Apasowag 19 Zoro on this one titled Show More Love.
Yeah, the top peak today is LOVE. As this they go, the thing they diminish. Making it die for lucky, the mother die of high BP. Moon run crossover every day, no PPP.
And number 3, I'm where Phyno with Do I. Yes, he just dropped a new song. It's on a man piano record. Beautiful song, and it's banging everywhere. Yes, everywhere you go. You know, do I look like I give? Do I look like I give? Do I look like a? And you know what's up? Phyno with Do I.
Yeah, touchdown, Nyanako. Young way, man, the boy looking like $1 million. I'm grabbing a billion van. So what's the plan?
And number 4, we have BP with Can Tell. Yes, if he can tell, I'm a huge BP fan. He knows, everybody knows that I'm a huge BP fan. And this particular song has been rotating on my playlist from time to time, and I want you to go check it out. Can Tell by BP. Let's go.
See one no I hope name I know I guy. Boy and then make a quick job where if he can tell. If I could be able better than area, if he can tell.
And last but not the least on the playlist segment, we have a newcomer. His name is ICZ. Well, this particular song is a song that I really like, and I play the song all the time. You should go check it out. ICZ, so his name is Isaac Akano from Imo State. Yes, all 19 Wookie. He's signed to Pixie Entertainment, and we cannot wait to see him at the very top of the music industry. This tune is really beautiful, you know, has feels of Omalay in it, but then of course ICZ is ICZ. ICZ with Alone.
I sit down inside of the ring. I sit down with my shoe cocking. I sit down for one place to crack my brain. Because us I said no carry.
Oh, we're back. You're welcome back to the Eastside Music Show, and this is where we draw the curtain. Follow us across all social media at The Voice of the East. I cannot wait to do this with you next week. Afam Kabusomto Ndabanyi Kodeno.